Today we are talking about AutoCAD in reference to facilities maintenance. So Autodesk is one of the main big players as far as AutoCAD programs go. They're not the only vendor you can get AutoCAD programs from, but one of the main ones. And they offer several different packages, several different programs. This one here you're seeing is directly from their website, and it's for AutoCAD Lt. I've personally used AutoCAD Lt in the past. Works really well. The way Autodesk products work is you can try a free trial, as you see the download free trial button here on the screen, but you unfortunately have to have a subscription, whether it's monthly, annually, or every 3 years. Pretty much, a lot of these programs are going subscription based now, so just be aware of that. But again, you can go to autodesk.com and look through the products they have to offer to see what best suits your needs. But I found in regards to designing custom shop equipment and facilities maintenance, AutoCAD Lt works really well. So what is AutoCAD Lt? Well, it's for architects, engineers, industrial designers. If you're a facilities maintenance technician, metal fabricator, welder, you need to draw some shop plans, and they need to be very clear and precise and accurate. You can create your 2D designs with precision. Design, draft, and document with 2D geometry. Access a comprehensive set of editing, design, and annotation tools, and complete projects faster with an intuitive and customizable interface. So here's the interface, and this is for AutoCAD Architecture 2022, which I currently use at work. But the interface is fairly similar, whether it's AutoCAD Lt, AutoCAD Architecture, etc. Up top, you're going to have all your tabs, the ribbon where the majority of your tools lie, and then on the bottom of the screen, you can see that there's the command bar where you can type in your commands using the keyboard. And then in the bottom left corner, you see a red box around model and layout. So layout is like your paper space, model is your model space. And then farther on the right hand side, you have more tools or more settings or features you can click or unclick. For example, like orthographic mode, you can turn that on or off, snap on or off, grid lines on or off, etc. So here's a few examples of what you can create in AutoCAD Lt. This is for a self-dumping hopper for a previous employer. Again, you can specify dimensions, angles, thickness of material, etc. Here again, for a previous employer, this was a concept drawing that I created in AutoCAD for a low profile lift platform, a lift table, and basically it had a metal frame that bolted to the ground, and it was low profile, so the employees could roll their pump carts directly onto this platform and then raise the platform up to a comfortable level to work on those pump carts. And it was basically a 120 volt AC hydroelectric power unit and a hydraulic cylinder, and it would raise and lower the platform, and there are some guide rollers in there. But again, this was just a concept drawing. So from here, then I was able to get some pricing on materials and parts and components and give that parts list and pricing and this concept drawing to my boss so they could approve the project or put it on hold, etc. So that's the beauty of an AutoCAD program, is you can show very clearly how something's going to look, front, back, side views, Other than orthographic views like this, you can also create isometric views. So if you want to see something more three-dimensionally, you can do that with AutoCAD. If you have customized tools you need to create for your shop, whether you create them in-house or outsource it to a local job shop, a local machine shop, chances are they're going to want, a PDF of an AutoCAD drawing or the DWG file of the AutoCAD drawing with all the little minor details that they need to perform proper machining. So dimensions, tolerances. You can see this one has a gnarl grip pattern all the way around. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.